Wow. Very nice. Mindy's. Oh. Lain ko yun dati. Only one piang, okay? Two hands you want, Sophia? She feel tired. See her hands. See, because these kids want Mindy. No, her Didi putting Mindy. Oh no, the kid is busy. Oh, busy si Sophia. Hello guys, how are you? Now we're making the vinegar. I have the chili. This is the chili, circle chili, and then I slice also the ginger, and then plus vinegar. This is my empty bottle, which is I used it before. Actually, before I used the inside that one is oyster sauce. Now we peel in the vinegar. Will not finish. And then I put this all. In Nepal, we call this one dalu kursani. It's very small guys. Just keep it inside. Remove the ano. This one all, I keep it. You can see guys. The rest is already damaged guys. I think I can put inside also this. The small layer one, I can put in the... Yeah, I need to push guys because it's not coming. The small. I think I need to peel like this. Anyway, my table is clean. I just already clean up so that it's easy for me, the small one, to put it inside. Like this. The smell is good guys. So yummy. You here see that one? I just do it all the tangkay guys. And then you know what? This is very spicy. One bite for this, oh my gosh. I don't know what the name this one in the Philippines, because most in the Philippines we are using the chili, the long one, and then we have also the smaller one. In my country, in the Cebu, my mom also using that one. But now first time I make it this. You know guys, you will make it that one if you go in the house of Filipino. They're always making chili like this. They can put together with the ginger, and then sometimes also we can mix also with garlic. And then I will additional also the ginger guys. Tomorrow I will add on the... I can add tomorrow the garlic. It's depend on you guys how. You know what, in the province before, in the Philippines, we are putting like this. So yummy. And then, oh my god, whatever you fry chicken, you fry fish, and then you can make it for this. Oh my god. And then the more so yummy guys. Like this, the old one, I will plant this one in my garden because there's a damage. You saw? See, there's a black. I will plant in my garden. Only I keep it because my husband, he buy too much, and then I told him I just put it with the vinegar so that I can stack anywhere. I don't know, it's easy to remove or what, because my husband, he like too much this. And then the bigger one, I think I cannot make it. I need to put in the other bottle. Another bottle, guys, because it's too much. And then I just add also. Just add the vinegar. And then I add also like this one. It's already clean. Which is damaged already. Like this damage, I will plant on the... Sorry guys, my dog is busy. This one. Oh my god, my saliva. You know what guys, if you have mango, you can put the mango and this, whatever you want. Soy sauce, and then the smell is so good. I love this one, the chili. But I cannot either bite direct guys. I need 1 kilo of sugar if I bite like this. I keep separated because my husband is, sometimes he like to eat only the spicy. I discussed with you guys regarding, remember the Nepali people. Oh my god, they love spicy. Wherever I visit, I'm already long time here in Nepal. They like to eat all spicy. But me, I cooking also the Filipino food. That's it. Ready na guys. Oh my god. The rest, I will plant. Because there is a damage the black one. I will make it the plant. So that soon, we have the chili in the garden. This one here. But I need to wash properly with my hands, guys. It's very spicy. This one's, the rest is reject because this one is, I have a reject now, guys. I'm ready. Oh, thank you, guys. See? Cute, guys. Oh, it's so yummy na, guys. Smell good. Thank you so much, guys. Bye. Good night and good. Be kind and be happy. God bless us. Thank you so much. Now, Sophia is result day. Now she will do shopping.
Daddy, mommy, this one's small, babe. This one's small.
She's a good job because she's doing a great job in school.
Okay. But,
Just there.
thank you, mommy. Thank you, mommy. You buy for me this one and Labo was so cute. This one.
As usual, she always like this all stationery. Wherever she has a result day, always this one. This is her favorite area.
Thank you, mommy. You buy for me this one and this one, okay?
Just see this one. Oh.
Wait, I have it here.
Sophia special. Yes. Well, Sophia is busy. I just make you round first here, guys. This is the department store.
Mommy, I want to buy this coffee. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Buy it.
This is the
I
one.
buy from this one here.
Hula hope. You choose another. Which one color you like?
I need red. I don't need this one.
You choose, but it should be the same that you know how to.
Very small here. Look.
Where?
Mommy, very small.
Little bit medium size.
Okay.
Try the medium.
Mommy,
Mm.
mommy, thank you. Buy for me this one now. Enough.
Check this medium size.
Need this one? You buy for me this
That one first. You that hula hoop. Try it.
Ah, this one.
No, that is small. The big one. Little bit. How? Oh my God. Small that one. The other one first. Oh. How about this? The another
This
color.
one is big.
No, the other one, it should be big, medium size, because that is for small baby. No, that is small. You take another one.
Big one.